very, very good thing.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Talk about that last drive.
Tough game. I mean, we had 4 starters not playing on that last drive. And luckily, I mean, this is a team of all-stars. Every single kid was good and kids stepped up. I mean, we were down. Our morale was down. We had 3 kids thrown out of the game. 1 kid got hurt, couldn't play in the game started. So, I mean, we were just preaching positive in that last drive, and kids stepped up. Nathan from Masco made big, big catches. The line gave me time, and good things happened.
How about going against Brandon Walsh? I mean, he played a great game.
Yeah.
You know, kept it close.
Definitely. I mean, being from this side of the state, I didn't see him much, but I heard great things about him. And he showed tonight. He's a great player. He held the team single-handedly in it and gave him a chance to win.
How about O'Shane today, you know, finishing it off with touchdowns again? He had a great game, too.
O'Shane, great athlete. I mean, he speeds the speedster, and I knew he was going to break one. I mean, he had 2 great runs that he just missed touchdowns, would have broke the game open. But the last drive, the last play of the game, we gave it to our best back, and he capitalized on it.
Thanks, Chuck.
Thank you.
With the teammates, the all-star teammates that you had on your team,
Yes.
was there any play either tonight or 2 plays tonight or anything you noticed in practice that, I mean, hey, these are some, I mean, you play with some great athletes on Everett, but, you know, these are all-stars too. So what do you take away from a game like this? Whether it be blocking or tackling, catching, what is it?
I mean, it shows me that I have a place to work on, and I can always get better. I mean, I'm not making the best throws, but they're great players and they're bailing me out.
Yeah.
So lucky on my part. I mean, I'm not making perfect throws, but great athletes making great plays in open space. And I mean, you saw with Chucky Ortiz and Nathan and the big kid Kevin Levancy, they made great catches that, not perfect balls, great plays, and they played great.